Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, as you can see, with Press One Cash, one of my favorite texting systems because it's so simple. If you're here for the first time, though, before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload, okay? So, Press One Cash, guys, I've been talking about this since last year of 2018. It's an awesome program. It's perfect for anybody out here that has a business, okay? Doesn't matter if you're an internet marketer, network marketer, real estate agent, if you own a hair salon, if you own a lawn care company. If you have a website, you should have Press One Cash, okay? If you're promoting anything and you have a website, you should have this system. Okay, because it's going to help you promote that business. Okay, if you don't have a business, you can just promote Press One Cash by itself. Okay, but if you have a business, okay, what you will be able to do is you're going to get a sign number just like mine right here. When people call that number and they press 1, it's going to take them immediately to your website. Okay, so it's helping you promote your business. Okay. So, very simple, because all you do is promote your phone number, okay? You're going to be assigned a number. We all have our own personal number, okay? So, let me go down. I'm on the website. This is what you're going to get, too. So, let me just show you something. Okay, as it states on the page, okay, what is the product? What are you getting? It's an automated text responder, okay, software. Because when they press 1, it automatically texts them your link. Okay, so you're getting a wonderful software, okay, with 100 free credits because you need credits to make it work. Okay, when people dial your number, it uses a credit, but the company is giving you 100, so they will go a long way. So really, this is a business in a box, ready to go. All you got to do is set up your profile and specify in your back office how you want to get paid. Okay, and you just start promoting your phone number, sharing it around, okay, and we even tell you how to do that. So this is the website you're going to get. This video right here explains everything, guys, okay? It does the selling and telling for me. I don't have to explain this program, okay? So let's go down further. Just want you to see, it's only $2.97. One time, no monthly fee, okay? So you don't have to worry about any monthly fees, okay? Okay, and as I stated earlier, it shows you even on the website who will buy this product. Mortgage brokers, real estate agents, okay, business owners. So anybody, again, that has a website can benefit from having this software, okay? And there's different ways that you can promote this. It states on here that you can use voice drops, guys. You can post ads, okay, and they even show you how to do that in the back office. Once you get signed up, you will have some pre-written ads that you can use to get this thing going, okay, and then I have some as well that I'm going to share with you, so make sure you reach out to me. Once you join me, I'm going to send you an email with some pertinent information that you can use to help promote this business, okay. All right, so there's some testimonies as well on here. But a simple business, guys. No real learning curve. You don't have to learn really internet marketing, anything like that. All you need to do is promote this number, okay? And we'll show you how to do that. So let me take you over, hang on a second, to my little memo pad. All right, so here's my number. I want you to call it so you can kind of see how it works. Now you will see I have a couple people in rotation, so don't worry about that. Those are my teammates. So if you call this number, you will see the Press One website, but it may have a different person's name at the top. That's okay. You still can join through those links because that's their pass up. Okay, so the pass up will still come to me. Okay, and I have a website. I'm going to show you how it looks. This one, go here, easymobilepay.com, and you want that, guys, when you are doing solo advertising, because there's a few ways you can promote this: ads, text message marketing, solo ads, and social media. Okay, so I have this site because I do text message marketing and I do solo advertising, okay? And I want to capture my leads, the names of the people that's interested, so that my system can follow up with them, okay? You want that in place. So let me show you two of the pages that I have. Hang on one second. Okay, here's a marketing system that I use as well. This one's only $19.95 a month, okay? And this is the page. Once they enter their information, the system has an email series that's going to follow up for me, okay? And then you also can broadcast to your list, okay, of these people. So that's a page that we have. And there's my other page that I have in the Conversion Pros. This particular system is $50 a month because it's a lot more than just a capture page. It's a whole marketing system, a whole training system. It's great for people that want to brand themselves. You have a little more flexibility with this one, but you're able to earn a commission too. Everybody you refer and they pay $50 a month, you're going to make 25 bucks every month. That's residual income, okay? And I can share this page with you once you join if you're interested. Okay, now stated, this is the page you're going to get as well. Okay, you're going to have a page just like this. So I'm going to take you over to the back office real quick and kind of show you the back office. Here's the back office, guys, and to your left right here, we have resources, we have training to show you how to set up if you want to use Stripe. And then we show you different marketing advertising that you can do to promote this. But this is where you're going to set up your profile. Okay, so right here you can put in this box how you want to get paid. If you want to use Stripe, you just go over here to training and it will show you how to set your Stripe up. But all your other options, like via your apps and things of that nature, or even cash, Walmart to Walmart, just put it in this box and click update changes. And when people go to your link, they're going to see that and they're going to know how you want to receive your payments, because this is your business. You decide how you want to receive those payments, okay? So you will have a full back office. Okay, so under resources, there's different resources that they show you how you can promote this business. Okay, capture pages, ringless voice drops, sizzle calls, videos. If you want to change your outgoing message, you can click this link right here and you can have another message created. Now it comes already with a pre-recorded message, but if you want something different, say you have a different type of business, because the message that's on there right now is for people that's interested in making money, but you can get you a customized message made, okay? So they even show you right here how you can do postcard marketing, newspaper ads, online advertising, Craigslist, and then if you click here, it gives you sample ads for Craigslist, okay? And as I mentioned, I have some ads that I can give you. You just will edit them to fit this business, okay? So we have everything you need right here, a business in a box, all right? And again, under 300 bucks, you're in business, and this is a booming business because everybody carries around their cell phones. So, and remember, when people dial your number, you're gaining leads from that too. So not only are you promoting your business, but you're getting leads. So now you have people's cell phone numbers, okay? So now you have your own mobile lead list that you're building, and you can go back and text these people and follow up with them, okay, for this business. But it's a great way to earn 200 bucks instantly. It has a one-up comp plan built in it. You sign up, your first sale you pass up, and then after that you're qualified to receive unlimited $200 commissions any way you want to receive them, okay? So perfect business. So let me show you this is still working. I had a sale to come in today, and I just want to show you that this continues to work. And I'm just showing you some more results, okay? So hang on one second. It shows you Cash App, okay, at $4.24, 200 bucks can, okay? So this thing continues to work, and I'm going to show you what the system will send you an email, okay? Because actually I was working on some other things, and I received this email that a payment was coming through. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, you're going to get an email first. It says, Press 1 member joined under you, okay? then it shows an admin fee was paid. Okay, so once you see an admin fee, then you know a person's in motion. Because sometimes people will join and they don't continue to make their payment, sometimes all in one day. So it showed me that the person joined and then they made the admin payment, which means $97 was paid. And from that point, pretty much the 200 followed right behind it. Okay, so this does work. Call my number, 678-932-0152. Check it out. And that way you can see how this works. And all you do is promote this number, guys, okay? And I'll show you the different ways that you can do it, and then find out what you're comfortable with, and just do that over and over. And then you can add another layer marketing method that you want to try. And that way you continue to get this number exposed out there, okay? That is the key, more exposure, all right? So I'm going to put the link below so you can go ahead and also you can join through the website, but I want you to call the number so you can see how it works for yourself, a live demo, okay? And if you're interested in getting a page like mine, okay, let me know. I'll send you the share code, and we can do that. And then you can just copy this page, okay? So I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and I've got a special bonus for you, so make sure you reach out to me. I like to work one-on-one with my people so that they know I'm a real person. I'm not a robot just sitting behind a computer. Okay, I actually am a real person, and I like to reach out and talk to people. Okay, so just reach out to me. I would love to work with you. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click the notification bell, okay, so that you can be notified each and every time I upload, and you know what's going on, all right? I look forward to working with you guys, and I will see you on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.